everyone. My name is Caitlin Morton, and today is week 5 of the meat chickens. So we're going to do what we did the last 2 weeks and go ahead and weigh 2 of them and see where they're at. Let's get started. So getting started here, I caught one of the meat chickens. You can see they really are starting to be a handful now. The pot is zeroed, so we're going to go ahead and weigh this chicken. I'm going to have to get a bigger pot for next week, I think. So they are at 4.5 pounds. Wow, 4.5 pounds. We have our second chicken. I'm going to go ahead and weigh him. It is It is 4.5 pounds as well. So in conclusion here, this is week 5 and they are weighing 4.5 pounds. So they are gaining really well. They're gaining at a very high rate. That's a good thing. So far, I'm really loving the project. They're very easy. Just keep food and water, and they will take care of the rest. So far, I would say it's worth doing, but make sure to check in next week and see week 6, how heavy they are, and see how much they've grown. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos about homesteading and creating food from scratch and even growing your own food. Thanks for watching.